YouTube, Tech is Mason here, and this video is the first episode of a new series that I'm starting, which will help you guys make money. Now first, this series is kind of dedicated to teens like me because these ways to make money is simply easy to do. So first, that's what I wanted to introduce this series. But before we get to the first episode, I want to tell you guys sorry that I've been slacking on my videos. I've been working too hard on school to try and keep my grades at an A and B average. So, sorry I haven't been producing my videos. Also, I had some problems with my AdSense, you know about that. But now I'm trying to get back to a regular basis of making videos. So, now that's enough of me talking. Let's get to the video. I'll be talking to you about the original site that helped me first start out on YouTube making easy money. And this site is MyLikes. Now, when I usually talked about MyLikes, I would usually be making money from it, but I'm not making money from MyLikes on this video, only from YouTube, which I have to make money from unless I don't monetize it, but I am. So this website is basically an advertising website where you guys tweet out or share or do videos about companies and they pay you per click or per view. So let me give you an example. Say if MyLikes wanted you to talk about their website like I'm doing now, and I get like 2 views and they pay me 6 cents for that 2 views, I'll be making money just for you watching the video. How easy is that? This website is free to sign up. You do have to be 18, even though I'm not 18, but I still signed up. And I'm still making money from it. They pay you with PayPal or Amazon. It is really easy to do. First, you need to just link your Twitter, your Facebook, your Tumblr, or your YouTube, and you can start making money from it. It's easy money. You can do it every week, a new video every week, or it can even be the same video every week, which I do. I have a separate channel for that. Not just making easy money from that. This is the first episode. I don't want to make it really complicated. I just want to kind of give you the idea. But don't think that this is how they're going to be. They're going to be way better than this. Since school is ending, my videos will be much better because I'll have more time to focus on the videos instead of focusing on school. So I'll probably get a green screen. It'll be better. I'm getting a new camera, of course, because I'm still using this Flip Ultra HD right now. But yeah, I'm going to get better cameras. So this was the first episode. I'm really not talking to you about anything. This is basically easy. MyLikes. I'll have some details over in the description. You can go check out my other videos on my other channels about MyLikes. And yeah, so you get paid for sharing advertisement. It's basically easy. It's self-explanatory. It's so easy. A caveman can do it. Not playing, but yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, hit the like button below. Don't forget to subscribe above and check out more of my videos when they come. Once again, Tech is Mason signing out. This is YouTube.
Ugly man.